Welcome to the Red Jacket Speaker Showcase. Today we are speaking to Mr. Pambana Masame, and by a note of introduction, I'm Dr. Brenda Hutting, CEO of the Center for Power Intelligence, and our main focus is harnessing the power of epigenetics and rewriting organizational DNA. Our major target audiences are executives, leaders, HR developers, and all those who are focused on the future, recovering their organizational and personal DNA and creating a new season of health, wealth, and happiness. Today, we present to you on Red Jacket Speakers, Mr. Pambana Masame from Botswana. Welcome, Mr. Masame. And we would like to know from you, what is your core message to the people?
Yes, thank you very much for the question. In the world full of voices, it is only those that lead with purpose that are truly heard. I speak to business owners, job seekers, employees, and those who refuse to settle for being ordinary, to be unignorable, and to lead with courage, clarity, and conviction, to stand for something bigger than yourself. When we align our leadership with the United Nations Sustainable Development Goals, we don't just build stronger businesses or careers, we build a better world. My mission
Thank
is
you.
very simple: to awaken the unignorable leader in you for the better world, in favor of creating impact which echoes beyond the workplace and into the future that we all share.
That's most exciting. Tell us, who is your main audience? Who do you focus on when you bring your message?
Yes, I empower business owners and job seekers and employees who rise above the noise to become leaders who cannot be ignored. My message is clear. True leadership is not about titles, it is about being impactful. By aligning with the United Nations Development Goals, I challenge audiences to lead with purpose, driving innovation, equity, sustainability in the sphere of work and their life.
That sounds very, very powerful. Would you like to share with us, what difference do you believe your message makes in the world out there?
The difference the message makes is that it helps people to actually become the leaders they need to be. Leaders which are not ignored, leaders which are impactful, leaders which lead with clarity, leaders which actually knows the future and tries to get people to the future which is desired by everyone.
That sounds most exciting. Would you like just to share, to end off, but why you? Why now? Why Mr. Pambana Masame from Botswana bringing this message?
Yes, apart from having the necessary training in leadership, I've actually seen small businesses turn waste to considerable use. I've seen leaders actually being impactful. I was also part of the leadership in a trade union, so I know what impact means, and I know what being visionary and being impactful means. I know what leading with purpose means. So I am the best person to be able to drive people to help them to achieve their goals.
That sounds most exciting. Mr. Pambana Masame, thank you so much for that powerful information. I think it's really going to make a difference. This comes from the Red Jacket Speaker Showcase, and we invite you to attend more of these powerful programs that we present to bring change to the world. Thank you so much.
I thank you.